Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Spline not working issues. So if Spline is crashing, loading slowly, or certain tools are not responding, don't worry. This guide will walk you through the best fixes step by step in 2026. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Yeah, Spline runs directly in the browser, so weak internet can cause projects to load slowly or fail completely. Next, refresh the page or completely restart your browser. Temporary browser glitches are actually one of the most common reasons Spline stops working properly. Now clear your browser cache and cookies. Old stored data can sometimes break web apps like Spline or prevent updates from loading correctly. If you're using ad blockers, privacy extensions, or script blockers, try disabling them temporarily. Yeah, some extensions can interfere with Spline's editor and stop features from loading. Next, try using a supported browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Older browsers or outdated versions may not fully support Spline's three-dimensional tools and animations. If your project keeps freezing, try reducing heavy objects, animations, or effects in your scene. Large three-dimensional projects can use a lot of memory and slow everything down. Also check if Spline servers are having issues. Sometimes the platform itself may be temporarily down, and in that case, you'll just need to wait until services are restored. And that's basically it. Those are the best ways to fix Spline not working issues in 2026. Hopefully, one of these methods helped you get your projects running smoothly again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.